Nasa third set na po tayo. Abante pa rin ang Philippine Navy. And for our third member of the panel, plus another one, Man Panganiban, together with Mr. Five-Setter.
Ayan ang ating Shakey's face of the game. Face of the game. Alam nyo mga, ang ating panel, makikita talaga natin yung determination ng Manila Water Dragons. They're down 2 sets. You can still sense that fight in them. Hindi sila bibigay ng basta-basta lang. And Coach BJ just reminded his team na huwag kayong mapagod magbasa ng atake ng Navy. Let's maximize our advantage. Mas bata tayo, kaya dapat mas mabilis at mas bibo tayo sa kanila. And lastly, huwag tayong pumikit. The ball can lay flat on the floor in a split second. Huwag nating pabayaang mag-landing na lang yung bola sa floor, guys.
Eh, sabi mo kasi kanina, kalahating luha nung lumipat si Lisa Valdez sa Ateneo ang nanggaling sa iyo mo. Ito naman, huwag pipikit.
Oo.
Kalahating mata nakabukas.
Oo nga naman, sa bilis kasi ng quick mimic-mic mamis mo.
Hindi pwedeng wink-wink.
Oo, cannot be.
Cases,
Roses diving for that.
Aray.
Nagawan miscue. De La Peña was already there. Maggie also went for that receive.
Pero naman mo, these are mistakes that are forced upon by the stellar defense of Philippine Navy. As a result, pag-atake nila, hindi naman unforced error Pero ito, pwede mong sabihin, unforced error ito. Pero maganda, matibay na rin yung defense rito ng white shirts kung kaya't after being down, once again, early in the third, ito, lamang na naman sila ng 3 puntos. Usada, serving for Philippine Navy. Ancheta. Joy Cates.
Getting it off the block.
Kanina, bahagyang tumila yung power niya. No? Nakita natin. Kasi grabe talaga yung bawat talon, bawat ataw, bawat
nakakapagod yun
Nakakapagod. Kasi sabihin mong bata ka pa, at kondisyon na kondisyon ka, paulit-ulit
Well, speaking of defenses, Galido has 5 digs and Roses with 10. Amazing. Cates has 5, De La Peña has 2.
Not a surprise. Sabi mo nga kanina, parang kamilyon itong si Sue Roses. Kung kailangan ng team na kukuha sa kanya, yun ang ikukulay niya. And dito, hindi naman niya kailangan pumuntos. She needs to play defense, especially against Cases, against Alcates, against Guliman, and she has done that extremely well.
Kaya pinag-aagawan niya as a guest player, di ba?
Magaling talaga.
Magaling.
Saka magandang attitude. Ayan na naman. Magandang depensa from Sue Roses. Prochina against 2 blockers. Binuhay ni Cases. Be quick. Too long.
Still playable. Prochina once more with a push, but too much angle.
11-9 pa rin. Yes. Pushed outside ang nangyari doon. Instead of pushed to an uncovered area.
On your screen, Coach Nene Ibanez.
Napasabi ng, wow. Sue Roses.
And Bautista now with 13 attack points, 4 digs and 4 receptions. So itong mga players ng Navy, hindi lang basta offense, pati defense. Walang bili.
Miscommunication between Cases and Nika Guliman nets the 12-point para dito sa Philippine Navy. Na maski hindi lumalamang na malaki, patuloy naman na step ahead. Fan family on pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Right, and Cases once again, but Laborte on the dive. Oh, but poor attack on by Nene Bautista.
Naging
Not enough
tentative siya,
juice.
no? Naging tentative siya ron. Yes, he wanted a drop shot, an off-spin. Alangan siya dahil medyo malayo yung pinanggalingan niya. 10 will serve 12. Cases now in the back row. Oh! Pasok!
Sue Roses. Medyo, ito na naman yung tandem kasi ni Guliman at ni Artades. Napakabigat ng 1-2 punch na yan pagdating sa blocking.
Yes, 2 ponytails. 2 blockers. 2 straight points for Maynila. Down by only 1, 12-11. Cases trying to equalize here in the third set. A floater for Cases. Carpio going to Nene Bautista. This time getting the better of the 2 blockers.
Penetrating the block of Maynilad.
Ano malaki ng improvement ni Nika Guliman, ano?
Ay, di ba, naalala
Sobrang
mo,
laki,
Coach Ronnie?
Dati sobrang nene. Dati sobrang nene.
Yes, kung una natin siyang
Na-cover for Lycio, mahiyain.
Hindi, tsaka doon pa lang siya, nag-assist pa lang siya sa pagpulot-pulot ng bola. Kaya nag-assist na yun.
Yes, ngayon yung balikat, ang lapad na.
Ngayon, of course, napakagaling ng volleyball player.
Ito, patuloy ang mabigat na pinapakita ng Maynila against the highly favored team ng Philippine Navy. Ngayon naman, ay isa pang steady player for Maynilad. Atates, kumita at service error, napajigi.
Sayang, almost just hit the tip of the net. Ganda pa naman sana, floater.
Ano yun ang maganda sa rally si dati. Hindi gagalaw
Over
yung
and
score na yan.
over.
Oo.
And a poor first ball. Nothing much Ancheta could do.
Nandun pa rin si Artates dun sa... And she was not able to react quickly and correctly. They're down 15-12, third set.
Kasi natin yung utak dun sa kailangan natin gawin. Saan na ba tayo nawawala? Kung tayo bumawi. Kasi, kumbaga, hindi mo niliran masyado na ito kung nakukulangan na tayo sa utak sa purpose eh. Diba, sasabi ko, magkalma-kalma naman. So, umano kayo nagmamadali makakuha ng focus para labas na ano tayo. Sabihin nyo, is maglaro pa rin muna tayo ng maayos. Yun yung kailangan eh. Diba? Sabihin lang. Lagay na muna natin. Kailangan natin.
Ano bang konting paalala rito ni Coach Sacramento Moss?
Medyo nagmamadali sila into taking the points and kailangan lang daw wag magmadali at mag-focus nga sa kailangan nilang gawin.
Parang naging
Saan.
running water kung ganun.
Buti na yan, kesa sa runny nose.
Wag yun.
Okay.
Balik tayo sa tubig. Laban ng tubig.
Beck Maggie, right from the timeout.
Ang hindi pa natin nakikita rito, the first 3 sets, yung makuha ng Maynilad yung kalamangan after the second technical. So far, itong Philippine Navy, laging meron silang kasagutan, pa isa-isa, pero nakukuha pa rin nila yung abante. Carpio going to Cruzada.
Cruzada!
Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung demeanor niya. Laro lang talaga siya. Tuwan-tuwa si Coach Nene Ibanez. So, napakiti rin sa wakas si Coach Nene.